Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can separate first and last name in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I have written some name. So firstly select the column, and after that you will see data options. So just click on it, and here you will see text to column option. So just click on it and click on delimited. So just click on delimited. After that click on next options, and here click on space options. So after that click on finish options. So you can see first name is separated from the second name. So guys, in this way you can separate first and second name in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.